In West Jaintia Hills, 2,07,374 voters will cast their votes in 312 polling stations spread across 5 assembly segments of Nartiang, Jowai, Raliang, Mukayao and 7 Amlarem. Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills District B.S. Solia today said that 71 polling parties have already departed for their designated polling stations, while the remaining 241 polling teams will begin their journey tomorrow. He also assured the security measures have been put in place at all polling stations.
Terus kidon Lakh, New Hajar, Laispa and New Pusa, male and female. Polling stations Laispa Haar, New Huawei polling station kini mi matasi, but Laispa sa Huawei kini mi lasai. The overall law and order situation, security arrangement in the district adu mata kalau normal, kemudian gunu ke balong Huawei pada, but ki yajbet adu mata ki arrangements. Paling along bapak kerja ru namata yo don kenu jing pair haka sumbeneng.
A group of